koutou, Kor Dylan toku ingoa. My name is Dylan.
And my name is WINTON SCHOOL. Call Matthew ahau. I am Matthew. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 21st of June.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is oma, which is te reo for run.
As in oma ra-peti. Run, rabbit, run.
Ka pai, that's oma, which is te reo for run.
Kia ora. Pals news. None today because the whole is being used for InterHouse Spelling Bee. Kia ora.
Speaking of which, yes, 3 and 4, you're up today at 12:45.
Spellers of all abilities need to get themselves into the hall at lunchtime with a pencil and represent.
That's yes, 3 and 4 at 12:45 in the hall with a pencil.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Whare-pukapuka news. The House of Books, aka the library, will be open 12:45 for browsing, issues and returns.
Magazine team, you have a meeting at 12:40 today in the group room.
Ripper Rugby news. You have a training tomorrow at 12:45. Please bring your gear. No birthdays today at WINTON School.
But His Royal Highness Prince William turns 34.
Happy birthday, my lord.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news, ka kite a pupu. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, WINTON School.